Hi lovelies! So today I've partnered with FABFITFUN to share with you their newly released Summer 2018 box. It's really fun and bright this season, so I'm excited to share it with you guys. As you guys know, FABFITFUN is my absolute favorite subscription service. I have been subscribed for years. I'm always super impressed. They always include full-size beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and wellness products. The box is $49.99, but the value is always over $250. And I also have a $10 off coupon code to share with you guys today, so I will include that in the description box. That will make the box under $40, which is just amazing. This one is really good, you guys. I always love the summer ones. So the box this season is in support of the Wildlife Conservation Society. So FABFITFUN does allow you to customize some of the items in your box now. So I'm going to show you what I got in my box. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the fashion item that I chose. I picked the Yumi Kim makeup train case because you guys know I have way too much makeup, so the more storage and organization the better. This is a really good sized makeup train case. I love that it is in water resistant packaging, so really great for traveling. You don't have to worry about spills, or even if you wanted to take this to the beach. Really a great option. It does have a double zipper, so two separate compartments. On the top here we have a zippered compartment, also a spot for your brushes, and I love that the one end has this plastic covering right here. Really great for if your brushes are dirty. You don't want that product to transfer and ruin your makeup bag. So I absolutely love that. And then there's also a bottom compartment on this train case. And you can see it's just a really good sized open compartment just so that you can put all of your makeup in there. So really a ton of storage, and obviously when you're not using it, it folds flat down. So it's not going to take up a ton of space. And the Yumi Kim makeup train case retails for $58. So the next item in the summer box is probably my favorite. It is from Tarte. This is their Tarteist Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette. And you guys, I'm so obsessed with this. It's amazing. This palette alone retails for $45. It is super amazing quality. I'd actually been lusting after this palette, so when it came in my FABFITFUN box, I was totally blown away. So first I would like to note that I love the packaging, super chic. It's magnetic, so it's not gonna like flap open on you. It has dual mirrors, and as you can see, a really great selection of both contour and highlight shades. You have 6 in total, 4 shimmers, and it looks like 1 cream contour and then 1 powder contour. But hopefully you guys can see that these are absolutely gorgeous shades, really beautiful. The highlight is probably my favorite. Look at the amazing pigmentation on the highlight. And all of them are like that. Look, gorgeous. And can we talk about that the entire palette smells like cocoa? Oh, so sweet. I absolutely love it. And the palette is just gorgeous. These colors are going to be amazing for summer, you guys. The next item in my summer box is this adorable little Postscript wallet from the brand Minor History. You can see it is super tiny, so cute. It has a little button closure right here. And it just opens up and has the perfect little spot to hold your ID, your credit cards. It obviously has the little wristband here so you can wear it as a wristlet. Perfect for a summer date, summer night out with the girlfriends, out to the club. The colors are really fun for summer. You've got this gorgeous metallic gold and this beautiful peachy coral. So I love this. So I thought this was super cute, and this retails for $20. Next is from Earth Jewelry. This is their You and I ring. This ring is 14 karat gold plated and has 2 cultured freshwater pearls. It's a very modern design. And don't mind my dry, ugly hands, y'all. I'm like trying so hard not to get sick this season, so like my poor hands have seen better days. But how cute is this ring? It's very simple, modern, and chic. Super fun for summer with the pearls. It would go with anything. And the earth ring retails for $55. So next, from Pier 1 Imports, I was so excited to see something from Pier 1 in this box. You guys know I'm a total home decor junkie, love Pier 1. So I was really excited that they had collaborated with them. And this is a marble ring dish. How stinking cute is that? You guys know marble is super in right now, very chic and classic. This is gonna look great in a bathroom on the countertop just to hold your rings and all. It has a really beautiful gold trim. And this Pier 1 Imports marble ring dish retails for $14.99. So I even like it just as a little home decor piece. I would just use it like even as a coaster. I think it's so cute. So the Summer FabFitFun box for this year is in support of the Wildlife Conservation Society. So you will be receiving an adorable little straw that says hashtag give a sip with little sea turtles on it. And basically this is to help reduce plastic in our oceans. It's a real problem. It says that more than 260 species of wildlife have ingested plastic or have become entangled in plastic debris, which is so sad. We just use way too much plastic, so it's always best if you can find a way to cut back on it. And it shows a cute little sea otter. Oh my gosh, I love marine life so much. So I love that they're helping to raise awareness to save these babies' lives. Next item in the box is from the brand Elemis. I always love their skincare. This is their Papaya Enzyme Peel. And this is a rinse-off cream exfoliator. Usually exfoliate about once or twice a week just to make sure that I'm sloughing all the old stuff off, especially if you wear makeup every day like I do. If you're out in the sun, really important to be regularly exfoliating and then moisturizing. So I'm excited to try out this Papaya Enzyme Peel. And this retails for $45. So the next item is going to be amazing for summer. This is from the brand Kula. I always love their skincare products. This is the Kula Face Sport SPF 50 White Tea Moisturizer. So an SPF 50 moisturizer that is safe for your face is amazing. Because you guys know I have sensitive skin, so I love when a sunscreen and moisturizer are specifically made for the face. And this is an 80-minute water-resistant formula, which is awesome, you guys. I always love their packaging. Super fun for summer, great to toss in the beach bag. And the Kula Face Sport retails for $32. So last but not least, another one of my absolute favorites from the summer box is the brand spanking new Foreo Luna Fofo. Like, we're the first ones to have our hands on this new device. This one is special because not only is it a facial cleansing brush like other Foreo Lunas, but it's also going to be a smart beauty coach because you can download the newly launched Foreo Luna app on Google or the Apple Play Store, and it's really going to help customize your skincare routine. So you can see this little guy is so cute. I got mine in the aqua color, and it is the softest little facial cleansing brush ever. I thought when I first saw it that these little bristles, because they were rubber, would be kind of stiff, but literally they feel like fur. It's so crazy. So I just love it. Super soft on the face. It already comes with batteries, so all you do is press the power button, get it a little bit moist, get your cleanser on your face, and then this is really going to help work it in and cleanse super well. When you download the new Foreo Luna app in combination with it, it's going to tell you a ton of amazing things. It's going to measure your skin moisture, tell you your skin age, customize your cleansing routine, and the app records your progress. So it's going to keep you committed to a good cleansing routine, which is so important, especially in the summertime. Don't go to bed with that makeup on, y'all. Get it off, get a good cleansing in, because you can get so oily this time of year. So that's just amazing, and the picture on the front shows that the model's skincare age is 22. So Lord, please let the Foreo Luna app tell me that my skin age is like 16. Again, really small size, great for travel, super cute. I'm really excited about it. And the new Foreo Luna Fofo retails for $89. So literally, this box is just beyond this season. I'm so excited. So that was everything in the FabFitFun Summer 2018 box. I am like beyond blown away. I love everything. So again, I have a $10 off coupon code for you guys, Wendy, which I will put in the description box down below. So be sure to go get your box before they sell out for only $39.99 for all of that. That's like insane, you guys. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what product you guys were most excited about. If you chose different products for your box, I would love to know. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching.